Did you know that crabs can make you rich? Sorry. I am not talking about fishing and putting your hand in the dirt, no. I am talking about Crabada. Welcome to Money Time. Today, you will learn how to make money doing almost nothing, and on top of all, you earn that money while having fun with this crabs. You want to know how to make more than $200 per day by playing Crabada? Make sure to stay till the end of this video.
Brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change.
Crabada is the most popular pay-to-play NFT game of the moment. Its marketplace recently sold more than $50 million. The game is fun and takes you to the ancient Crabada kingdom, ruled by King Costaco. Basically, the game consists of building crab teams to complete missions like mines, looting other players' treasures, or winning battles. It sounds a little confusing to you? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to get your first crabs, how to build your crabs teams, how to mine and loot missions, and mostly how to convert your crabs and treasures into real money. At the end of the video, I will share one bonus tip that will allow you to earn daily incomes without even playing. I advise you to get your coffee, cookie, milk, or whatever, then sit down. Just stay focused and follow every step to avoid making mistakes that will end up costing you money. Like and subscribe if you want to receive the latest updates about Crabada, or if you want to discover new legit ways to earn money online in 2022.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Now let's go to the website, playcrabada.com, where you can access the marketplace, buy your crabs, breed your crabs, form your teams, plan your mines and looting missions. You can also earn simply by participating in the Community Boost Trap events and earn breeding coins that will be used to breed your crabs and produce more value for you. To begin, you will have to connect your cryptocurrency wallet. It is very easy to do. Just on the left side, click on Connect Wallet. Then sign in with your MetaMask on Swimmer Network and connect your RPC. If you don't have this type of account, I will show you in the next video how to create one in a few clicks. Make sure you subscribe to not miss it. Once you're signed in, go to Inventory to see the available crabs. Click on Transfer and then select the crabs you want to send on the game. Once the team is complete, validate the transfer. To organize your team, select Manage Team on the left side and start building your teams. Click Add for the desired crab to join a team. Each team can only have 3 crabs. Once your teams are ready, it's time to earn some money. To make a mining expedition, click on Dashboard, then go to Explore to view mines. From the active mines, choose Mine and select Start Mine. Then select the team you want to send for the mining. By completing the mining missions, you will earn valuable treasures that will be directly paid to you in TUS, the game's coin. You will also receive bonus points paid in CRA, a governance coin during an incentive period that may vary from 3 months to 1 year. Now, do you want to make more money? Keep watching. You can also expedite lootings and steal rewards from other players. Beware to not challenge teams too much stronger than your own team. You can start a looting expedition. From the Explore menu, select Start Looting. Select the team you want to send for the looting mission. Then start looting. If your team wins, there will be plenty of money for you. To make sure you win the looting expedition, you can hire or rent crabs for reinforcement. To do that, select the Tavern menu, then select Rent Out and choose the crab you want to hire. Note that you can always stop the renting, simply by clicking on Cancel. Now that you know how to mine and loot, how do you make your crabs grow stronger and win more missions, bringing you more and more money every day? By breeding. You can choose between 64 different types of breeds, each one with his own abilities and powers, among which there is Gragma, Freshie, Bitcoin, Pearly, Red Eye, etc. The more you breed a crab, the stronger it gets. To breed your crabs, go to the marketplace on top of the screen. Log in and sign in, then click on My Account. Select Inventory to see your crabs, then Breed. You can breed all your crabs using CRA and TUS. As we are approaching the end of this video, you are probably wondering how you will cash out your earnings? Very easy. From your account, you can directly convert your coins into cryptocurrency and transfer them to your wallet, and from there, cash out in your bank account. Now I will share with you one bonus tip, as promised earlier. As more people enter the game, this causes the value of these crabs to increases. This means you can build an investment strategy by buying crabs, breeding them, then you will rent them to other players, and make yourself a daily income. Now that you know how to start your Crabada business, go and try out to make your money, and feel free to leave us a comment. We'll be happy to know your impression of the game. That's it for now. See you in the next video, with more legit up-to-date ways to make money online. Don't forget to like and subscribe on Money Time.